Hello everybody. So today I'll be showing you how to use or how to create a virtual debit card, or rather a virtual card that you can use for online payments and any platform you'd want to make an online payment. So you can go to your Play Store and search for Barter. Then you install it. So I did a video last time on how to create a virtual card using Airtel Money. So I'll link that video in the description. Otherwise, if you're new, please subscribe and like. And for returning subscribers, you can like and turn on notification. So once it's downloaded, you open. Then you register, create an account. So this Barter contains a credit card for USD cards, and you can have as many cards as possible. So you can just create a card, put your address. So I'll put my address here, I'll put my phone number here. Then referral code, you can use this code. Then on the referral code, you can just use this justarnold as a referral code, justarnold in all small letters. Then click continue. Once you continue, you'll be greeted with a very good interface, very friendly. So you can see there's add money, I have zero kwacha, set your pin, request money, send money. Tap here to create your dollar card now. Send a redeem gift card to friends and family anywhere in the world. Then we have got cards. I currently have 0 cards. I can create one. I have not had any transactions, but this will show you a transaction view. Then this will show you can send money to your friends on WhatsApp. If you have a problem, you can have a live chat with the customer care, available on all the services and also platforms that you can call them on. Then on settings, we have dark mode. Which I'm going to use now. So this is how it looks in dark mode. It really looks amazing. And yeah, this is definitely how Barter is. So if you want to create a card, you can come here, create a card. So I'll be charged $2 creation fee, and I can choose create a card. What would you like to label your card? So I'll name my card online payments. So I'll be using this card to make my Netflix, Spotify, and any other online payments. And it says, note, this card should not be used for NGN transactions to avoid high conversion rates. So NGN is Nigerian Naira. So you can't use this for Nigerian payments because it's a dollar card. So make sure if you're in Nigeria, you use payments that are in dollars, preferably, to avoid high conversion rates. But you can still make payments, but avoid making payments in using this card because it's preferably for online payments in a different currency, probably, and preferably dollars. Then you hit continue. Then I'll be greeted with this. I've got standard, which is black, coral, natural green, wild pepper, blue lagoon, and lime. Really nice cards. I'll go with the one that is blue. I'll go with blue and continue. Then it says, so here in Zambia I'll be charged a credit creation fee of 34 kwacha. That's $2, which will be deducted from the amount you fund. So say I want to get how many dollars? Let's say say I want to get $6. So I'll be charged 102 at our card partner's exchange rate of 17 to $1. So this 34 kwacha is only done once. So if you're in a different country, you'll obviously be charged the rate of your currency. So for us, it's 34, but it's a one-off creation. Once you pay this, you won't have to pay another $34. So this is a one-off payment. Then you'll be able to make your payments, but you'll be charged $1 every time. I hope that makes sense. So say get card. So it even shows you how much you'll be given and how much it is. So depending on how the currency is for your country, if it's good, you get a lower price. If it's bad, you get at a higher price. So continue. Create a 4-digit PIN to make sure you cannot be compromised. Yeah. So it's telling me you don't have money in your kwacha balance. So the first thing I need to do is, before I even create a card, I need to add money. So how much do I want to add? So I say I want to add 138. Then I'll be charged 0 for funding my account. I won't charge anything. So add my account, add money to my account. How would you like to fund? I would like to fund using Zambian mobile money. So I can either use your network that you want. So I'm going to use MTN. So because of the transaction fees, let me just add another 100. Choose a network, MTN. Put my number. Okay. So I'll be debited a total of $7, which amounts to 119 for this transaction at today's market exchange rate of 17 kwacha to $1. So I'll continue. Put my PIN. So I'll put my PIN. Waiting for it to create. And that's it. I have a new card. So I can add a new card if I want and do the same payment. So I can add different cards for different platforms, but I'll specifically have this card for all my online payments. Then once that's done, you can check your balance. I have 80. I actually include another 100, so I have an 80 left. I had a total of 200. Then I can check my transaction fees. So I spent 119. Total money received 200. Last spent last month. Then I used I used mobile money. So that's it. That's how you use Barter, and that's how you also create a virtual card. So I can send. It's free. Transaction fee is free for sending out. Then if I want to send a redeem gift card to my family, I can come here and choose a congratulations to somebody. It says, oh, congratulations, I'll send you a $200, just 3,000 in Zambian kwacha. You will send it to the name, their email, and the recipient's name and the personal message, and create a gift card, and it will be sent to them, and they'll be happy. So with someone's birthday, you can actually use this and send them some money using a gift card. They can use to make payments of different kinds with all these different platforms. So that's it for, and you've got notifications. So once you verify, this is what's going to show you to tell you your documents. Your verification document has been submitted successfully and your account has been verified. So once your account is verified, you'll be able to do all this. So remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on how you can use different applications to make your life easy and better. This is Just Arnold. Remember to follow me on Twitter as well. And thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So if for some reason you don't want to use the application, you can also use the web application. So you can find the link in the description, taking you to the account, and it looks just the same with the mobile application. So this is how it looks. So yeah, be sure to subscribe, and thank you very much.